Good afternoon, beautiful people. Time for some fresh chicken curry. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, look at that. So this is how we singe the chicken. Burn all these fur-like hair, and it gives sort of a smoky taste as well. Got one done already here. Beauty. Okay, time to chop the chicken. So for curry, I'm just gonna chop a bit slightly bigger than what I do with the frozen chicken or lamb, because this chicken is a bit bony. So I'm just going to chop it slightly bigger than usual. There you go. Oop. Yeah, there, that's it. That's my sizes there. Okay, time for the main ingredient, which is the innards, liver, egg, which will go on the fire there. Right, and coconut oil. Beauty. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. All the innards. Let's put the heart in as well. Right. This is how Mom used to cook this for us. And that I'm just gonna, so this is where the egg is before the chicken lays it. So you can see, so you can eat that as well. Hopefully I don't break the egg. Come on, there we go. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, time to cook. So coconut oil. Ooh, nice, beautiful. Right, hope it's not too hot. First we'll chuck these in. Oh, beautiful. Nice. And all these, the liver and stuff we'll chuck in last, otherwise it'll overcook, go all hard. You don't want that. Boy, the smell, it's beautiful. Okay, look at that. Oops. Hang on. Ooh, beautiful. I think I'm gonna just lower the fire. It's too hot. Maybe, yeah, take that out. Go there. Right. The only thing we're adding in is salt, just a little bit, not too much. That's it. And then in goes the liver. And at last, we'll add some eggs. Done. Yeah, baby. So we've got eggs here. Just gonna break them and chuck them there. That's for the chickens. Beautiful chickens. And one more. And this fella, not forgetting this fella, remember? Come on. Okay, there we go. And done. Alright. So basically what we're doing is we're just mixing this together with all the good flavors, you know, of all the innards. And you can have this just like that, or with roti or rice. It's beautiful. Yum. So there we go, guys. Chicken organs, egg, and the whole shebang. Beautiful. Look at that. So because it's too hot, so this chicken will be cooked inside, not outside. On here. One in gravy and one just dry. Okay, again in my happy place. Right, oops, sorry. Okay. Cheeky Bombay Sapphire. Oh, beautiful. Right. And special ingredient. Ooh la la. Look at that. Cheers, guys. And too many flies, that's why I covered it. And the chaser we just cooked from our lovely chickens, which were running like half an hour ago. There you go. Cheers, guys. I tell you, it is meat made in heaven. Bombay Sapphire, chicken innards and liver. Beautiful.